Hello everyone, this is Sakidor. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be shooting a very special bike, that's the Suzuki Hayabusa. It's a second generation Hayabusa, the 2020 version, and it's in red color. We have sorted out some locations according to the color. So without wasting any time, let's get started. We are shooting the Busa here, and this is the location. So basically what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna composition my photo according to the level that the bike is centered according to the top, and I'm gonna shoot it from a very low angle because that makes either it's a car or either it's a bike, it look more aggressive. The setting has taken it at 1.8, and you have to adjust the shutter and as well as the ISO according to the location. And always if you are having any objects beside you, then try to use those objects according to glare. Like I'm going to use a roof. So guys, time for me to ride the multi Hayabusa. Hi. So yeah, let's get started with this beast. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I'm back home and I just completed with the editing of few of these photos, and like you might have seen few of the photos in the vlog. I showed 2-3 shots there, but I also want to show you few pics. Like look at this one. This is like a clear, very bomb pic. I love this pic, especially with the background. You're having a rusty look in the background, and the color of this red Busa is just highlighting so beautifully. And also we have few photos of the bike with the owner of the bike. His name is Faizan, by the way, and you can check his Instagram. It will be somewhere here or here. We also clicked the Tiger there. This was the Tiger XCA 800, the old look. Yeah, and the color of it's, I think, the launch color, or you know that color. It's a very unique color, when as it wasn't matching the background, because the background was already a dark, like it was not a dark. I kept this dark theme in mind and went to this location for the shoot, and with this all browns and all this green color wasn't looking well, but still I tried to I didn't highlight. I have a very close shot of the England flag. This is one of my most favorite photos I clicked that day. I took off the burnout. This guy of the Gixxer 250 SF, he's a friend of mine, Rave Minister. Check his Instagram page too. He's also a photographer, and his photos also came out to be very well. The bike out, and this was near a lake type. We shot this photo of his, like, see, now you can see here I am trying to, I have tried to vibrant his and his bike's color more rather than the background and the ship here. But at the same time, when you are checking out this Busa's post, this photo is this photo is the best photo I clicked on that day. The red color ship, the red color bike, the rider looking towards the ship, and then again this beautiful sky. The sky on that day was very beautiful, seriously. These are all static shots, and yes, that's it for the day. I hope you guys have enjoyed this short and sweet vlog. So stay tuned for the next vlog. It's gonna be crazy. It will be crazy, and we'll be also shooting some other bikes. So without wasting your time, hit the like button, share this video as much as possible, comment down below what your thoughts are regarding this, share this video as much as possible, and hit the subscribe button. So without wasting time, tata, bye bye, see you, hope to see you in the next vlog.